Did you know that some popular drugs can cause liver damage? Yes, even those that you commonly use. Today we're going to explore 5 such drugs. They may be familiar to you. They are acetaminophen, statins, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, also known as NSAIDs, and antifungal drugs. It's crucial to remember that responsible usage of these drugs is key, and consulting a healthcare professional is always recommended. So let's dive into these drugs and see how they can affect your liver. First on our list is acetaminophen, a common pain reliever and fever reducer. Acetaminophen works by changing the way your body senses pain and cools your body down when you have a fever. It's found in numerous over-the-counter and prescription medications, making it a go-to choice for many. However, its popularity also poses a risk. Overuse of acetaminophen can lead to liver damage, a serious condition that can be life-threatening. This is because the body processes acetaminophen in the liver, and too much of it can overload the liver, causing harm. It's crucial to follow dosage instructions to a T and avoid combining it with other medicines containing acetaminophen. So remember to use acetaminophen responsibly to avoid potential liver damage. Next, we have statins, which are commonly used to lower cholesterol levels. These drugs work by blocking a substance your body needs to make cholesterol, helping to prevent a buildup that can clog your arteries and potentially lead to heart disease. However, statins are not without potential risks. One of these risks is liver damage, which can manifest as inflammation or an increase in liver enzymes. Though this is generally rare, it's important to know that this potential exists. That's why if you're on statins, regular liver function tests are highly recommended. These tests can help monitor your liver health and ensure the medication isn't causing more harm than good. Regular checks and proper dosage are key when using statins. Third on our list are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, often known as NSAIDs. These are commonly used for pain relief, reducing inflammation, and bringing down fevers. They're found in many over-the-counter medications, from ibuprofen to naproxen. But here's the catch. When used improperly or excessively, NSAIDs can potentially harm your liver. This is because they can cause fluid retention, leading to an increase in liver enzymes, which in turn can result in liver damage. The risk increases if you have pre-existing liver conditions, or if you're taking them in high doses for an extended period. So, it's crucial to stick to the recommended dosage and consult your healthcare provider if you're using them frequently. Just like the previous drugs, careful usage of NSAIDs can prevent potential liver damage. Fourth, we have antifungal drugs, used to treat a variety of fungal infections. These drugs, which include the likes of fluconazole and itraconazole, are absolutely essential in tackling conditions ranging from athlete's foot to life-threatening systemic fungal infections. However, they're not without their drawbacks. Certain types of antifungal drugs, particularly those in the azole class, have been linked to potential liver damage. This is due to the way these drugs are metabolized in the body, which can cause a buildup of toxic substances in the liver. That's why it's crucial to have regular liver function tests while on these medications, to ensure your liver remains healthy. So, while antifungal drugs are effective, they must be used with caution. So there you have it. 4 popular drugs that can cause liver damage if not used correctly. From acetaminophen to statins, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and antifungal drugs all have potential effects on the liver. It's crucial to use these medications responsibly and adhere to the prescribed dosage. Regular checkups are also key to monitor your liver health. Always remember, your health is in your hands. Use these drugs responsibly to ensure your liver stays healthy.